Hello, my name is Gabriel Vazquez. Now I'm going to talk about the picture of the Rockefeller Tower. First of all, this picture was taken in 1932 during the construction of the Rockefeller Tower, that was formerly called RCA Building during this decade. It's named after the American financier and philanthropist John D. Rockefeller Jr. that financed this project after the cancellation of his previous plan that was building an opera. Those were difficult times because previously in 1929 the economy of the United States broke into pieces due to the Wall Street crash. The stock crash caused an incredible economic crisis that leads to unemployment and poverty enlarged by the Great Depression due to the reparation from the First World War. Then Charles C. Evetts took the picture while they were building the 69th floor. The Rockefeller Center was a publicity strategy that caught much attention due to the shocking photography he took. Unfortunately, the photo was first misattributed to Lewis Hine in 2003. First of all, the plan of the skyscraper was a mass media entertainment complex, so Raymond Hood, the leading architect of the construction, came up with the idea to negotiate with RCA, Radio Corporation of America. Then this negotiation resulted in one of the most famous buildings in USA that nowadays is housing the headquarters of the New York Studio of Television Network. That's called NBC. Then finally, thankfully, in 1933, Roosevelt was elected as the president of the United States, and he directed the government during the worst economic crisis that this country ever had. And finally, he implemented the New Deal that recognized American politics and established the liberalism. So basically, that's my speech about the Rockefeller Tower. Thank you for listening. I'm Gabriel Vazquez. I repeat it again. So thank you.